Kenya faced stiff competition from neighbours Uganda in the first day of the FIM Central Africa Motocross Challenge, with the opponents dominating the top position in most races categories. Uganda's Mbagazi Ashraf scooped the first position in the first heat of the pewee category, as Kenya's Gisa Benzinge came in second.
Today was good. I got the whole shot. I managed to keep first. The whole race, it was good. He in second place wasn't too far back, so I had to keep on pushing the whole way. The condition on the track is right now it's perfect. It's soft in some areas, but it could be a bit better, but it's a good track.
It's been a good year for motocross. But then riders are slowly decreasing, so we're still searching for more riders.
We started off with very low numbers, primarily through a number of things. One, we had a lot of riders, some of them preparing for exams, and of course education comes first. Then we also had a few riders that were out on injury who are now beginning to make a comeback. So we had few numbers, but we've seen those rising steadily, and we're having a turnout today of 90 riders on the starting grid for all the classes is great.
Manchester